Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to create an ebook lead magnet with Designrr. Okay, but first you need to choose your persona. So come here, click on new ebook. I'll select ebook, format PDF, and I will go ahead and use WordGenie as my baseline. Okay, now you need to choose a theme of the topic because you need to choose your buyer persona. You need to understand who you want to attract, and doing so allows you to narrow down and focus on those you find valuable. The worst mistake you can actually make is trying to attract too many people. Although attracting many people may also work, it is highly likely you will find yourself exhausted as you try to profile your buyers. Okay, let's do e-commerce. Okay, let's click on Let's Start. Next is to go ahead and identify your value proposition. Now that you have detailed information about your potential prospects, it's actually time to give them a good reason why they need to download your lead magnet. Okay, keep in mind that the more of a compelling reason you have, the higher the chances of getting more leads. So for my topic or niche, I'll choose ebook lead magnets. There we go. We go ahead and click on next right here, and we'll have to also give it a name. But before we get into that, we'll choose a sub niche, ebook lead magnets. That is okay. Go ahead and press next. The audience is YouTubers or content creators. Okay, let's do that. Now what we'll need to do next is give our lead magnet a name, and this is another crucial step. Okay, now that you know what you are offering and to whom, giving your lead magnet a name will be easy. And just like when you create a compelling headline for a marketing email, a name for your value proposition will make a big difference in the conversion rate. Okay, so this one is actually really nice. We will go ahead and click on next right here, and then you need to choose the tone of your voice. Okay, what kind of lead magnet you want? I want it to be informative. I'll go ahead and press next right here. Okay, and go ahead and keep it simple. You can go ahead and look at the outline as well and what that looks like. So here you look at the outline. If you're happy with this, go ahead and press next, or you can regenerate as well. And then basically WordGenie will start writing out the whole ebook for you, and I'll show you in just a moment as it will start writing the ebook. Okay, so currently it is generating. It is using its AI feature, which is called WordGenie, which is really powerful. Honestly, provides you in-depth, valuable information on any topic. And sometimes, like when you have really done research on that topic, and this AI tool literally goes ahead and it generates a whole ebook on that topic, you might get surprised. Okay, and now it will do this for about 10 chapters, but for now just click on cancel and show you what to do next. So once it's done, you can choose a template here. You can choose any of these templates. I will go ahead and pick this one, call to action copywriting 101. I'll go ahead and use this template right here, and then Designrr will start initializing. As you can see, it is currently refreshing the page, and it will initialize everything for us. And there we go. We can also see the cover page. You see my author name, everything here. You can go ahead and add things as well. For example, artworks and shapes, right? You can come here, for example, let's do magnets. We'll search for that. And once we find something worth putting in here, you just need to go ahead and drag and drop. Okay, really that easy and simple. You can resize it any way you like, right? Like that. And then place it somewhere. But otherwise, once you're done, once you're happy, you can edit anything here. The color, for example, you can do that. Change this to maybe green. You can do anything, guys. It's very easy and simple. Then you just want to go ahead and click on publish as an Adobe Reader, export your ebook, and then you can offer it to people. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Ninja Guides. And I'll see you guys in the next one.